coccinella. Mi porti bene tu, brava. Sì, grazie che mi sei venuto a trovare, mi porti bene oggi. Sto dando un'occhiata al ciotolame di quarzo. Il quarzo interessante non è propriamente bianco. Il quarzo interessante è sul grigio, nero, arrugginito. Ci sono diverse varietà del quarzo, no? Varie tonalità di colore, ma quello più scuro è quello più mineralizzato, ok? Ora qui siamo su un sedimento che è stato processato parecchio, roba piccola, arrotondata, però non vuol dire che non si possa trovare ancora tracce di oro ancora incastonate nel quarzo. A volte basta solo soffermarsi in una determinata zona per dare un'occhiata un po' meglio. Questi teniamo. L'oro è sempre attaccato al quarzo. Ovvio, qui siamo su un tratto che ha subito molto rotolamento, molto attrito e tutto, però non si sa mai che si trovi qualcosina magari di piccolo, però qualcosina anche di interessante. Mi sembrano un po' più interessanti di altri.
That's the kind of quartz you're looking for. There we go. That stuff right there. It's got a little gray color to it. Just pure white stuff. I never ever find anything in that. Maybe one time I think I got a piece. It had 3 little nuggets in it. That was the only time I've ever got anything out of that real white. This is good stuff too. This is just stuff play around with it. This rusty stuff is real good. As I will show you in a second. I had a couple little finds. Can't really see nothing in them. But there's a little speck of gold on that one. I believe there's a little speck in that too. Not much. But I did go. Probably got my best specimen of the year right in that little hole over there. Probably my best specimen for quite a few years. Have a look at this guy. I pull that out, and a little nugget there. Turn it around this way. Look at that thing. It's just chock full. It's full of it. Beautiful piece. And another back here. That was my good specimen for today. I might just hang on to that fella. He might be quite a bit inside of that too. We don't know. Anyways, there's all little pieces of quartz you should just take home and crush up over the winter. And a lot of that dirt I dig out of there, take some bucket full of that down to the river there and pan it. You can find some little nuggets in it once in a while. There's my pillow laying there in case they decide to stay all night. Had a big hole going over there, but I got some good pieces out there a few years back. That's a lot of damn work. One going there, and I got one started there. I usually make one big hole, and then I'll just go north, south, east, and west on it. I'll find one that works. If I find something, I might do a couple more minutes before I go home. It's just getting late. I'll do a couple minutes in this one here. I did find some chunks of quartz in here. Actually, sure growing up down over that hill. There's a lot of big pieces of quartz. But, over the years, it's swampy down there, and it's sunk. So if you want to go down there and try and dig some out, you can't just pick it up off the ground anymore. It's not. We used to come down here 30 years ago, walk around, and just find it laying. That's all been picked up over the years. I imagine you can still find some if you look. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready to head her home. Looks like it's gonna start raining anytime. One bar left. There's a bear up here today. I didn't get a picture of him. Just stood there and looked at me for a few minutes and then left. Just right in between them trees. Come up, looked at me and then left. Anyways, guys. At least I never got skunked. That's a great piece of. That is a great piece of ore. Good evening. I decided I would take a look at that big rusty piece of quartz I brought home there 2 weeks back, and I broke a little piece off. Broke it up a little bit. Man, this thing is full of gold. You can see a few spots on there. I went over with an eye loupe, and there was actually quite a bit of gold. The eye loupe, but there is some you can see like right in there. 4 little nuggets, but look what come off of that. I broke a 2-inch piece off. And that's just, that piece is loaded with gold. So I believe this is going to be one of the best chunks of quartz I've gotten in a long time. It's going to be a rich find. The little pieces right in there too. This one broke off. It's got some gold in there too. This is a neat one. Again, that's just chock full of gold. Love it. But anyways, I went over this thing with a little eye loupe, and there's gold popping out everywhere. Just a little small piece, but it's in the rock deep, so there should be some pretty good sized pieces in there. But this one here is a great looking piece. I'll try to eye loupe that for you just to see. I know this damn camera's a pain in the arse. Just 1 minute here. There we go. There's some nice gold in there. Nuggets, a nugget here, piece in there. Over the rock for you, but decided, and it's heavy as hell. So. Yeah, that's definitely going in my collection. Stuff off. This thing here breaks right off.